Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss in this video about this application review of deep learning, and hope we are coming to the end of the deep learning mechanisms. And still now we have overviewed about the deep learning, about what is deep learning and how it is related with the machine learning and how it came from the artificial intelligence and what is the artificial intelligence and what are the difference between the human intelligence and what type of algorithms we have to categorize or we have to select for deep learning techniques and what is very special in the deep learning, how the pooling layers are selected, and what are the hidden layers and how many layers we need to choose while doing in the complication problem, and what are the activation function and which function is used to be much more in the nowadays complication hypothetical applications. Still now we have discussed all those things. Okay, now we will see about the application review of deep learning, and here the application literature review. In this we made a literature how the application is related, and with the help of so many experts and authors, they have referred and they have quoted their experiences. So those experiences we are going to review here. And in this application literature review, usually it is be categorized as two things, that is methodology application of deep learning and domain application of deep learning. Okay, and what is methodology application, what is domain application? Methodology, in the sense, we all knew that what type of algorithm are especially particular methodology we are using, that is methodology applications. And domain applications, we can have what are the domains we have, like what is the main domain specific, like we may have being electronics and communication engineers, we can have the VLSI embedded networks, likewise domain specific applications we have. Okay, so based upon that, the literature reviews made, we will discuss one by one in detail. I think now we'll discuss about the um, domain applications. And domain applications, the first one is domain, it is a recommender system, and deep learning it's applied to perform, that is saying here it is sentiment analysis, opinion mining. This is the recommendation system here used, and where the author refer it as the collaborative deep learning for recommender systems. And in the year 2015 itself they have gone through it and they have given their suggestions regarding to this recommendation system. And coming to the social applications, and again coming to the sentimental analysis, opinion mining and facial recognition, yes, nowadays the chat GPT are playing their role in an effective manner, and it helps a lot to the um, our growing community, if we could use all those things in a positive aspect. Okay, and it reduces our work burden also. It made us to think very easier, and it is giving lot many hints and clues to tackle the problem in a precise manner. So here the enhancing deep learning sentiment analysis with the ensemble techniques in social applications, it was already detailed in the 2017, the year 2017. And coming to the medicine, the medical diagnosis, it is a vast era, and it's a ever trending era, we can say. In the medical miracle, it is happening due to the deep learning, as also the artificial intelligence arises, the medical, so many diseases are identified in the early stages itself, so that it could be cured, and the we can save the life cycle and lifespan of our citizens. Okay, so this is how the technology could contribute to the society. Yeah, survey on deep learning in medical image survey, so in the year 2017 itself it have arrived. And coming to the finance, yes, obviously now the commercial and finance applications where we are making the trading and share market, all those things is comes under the finance, equity and sharing, all those things, right? And credit scoring, stock market, is exactly stock market prediction, all those things it will be done by AI, so that the ordinary citizens are like us can easily utilize the help of AI. Also, whatever we are going behind the AI, we should aware what are the limitations for the human and what we could analyze if whether the data is right or wrong. So likewise, we should proceed. Here, the deep learning approach for credit scoring using credit default swaps, that is in the year 2016 itself, they made the analysis. So we have gone through the four literature reviews regarding domain applications. Next in the slides, again we have the four domain applications like in the sector like transportation traffic flow protection. So how the traffic flow protection, so based upon the traffic load, so I mean which side we need to give the more importance, or where some emergency exits as well. So instead of human, the AI deep learning mechanism is analyzed and it will do the automation effective manner. So deep learning for short term traffic flow prediction in the year 2017, and as well as the process prediction, predicting process behavior using deep learnings. And emergency, yes, exactly, emergency alert. Now we are facing so many emergencies alert like a disaster and some earthquake, like disaster management system and flooding. And recently our government also tested using some emergency alert tone to all the subscribers, that is those who are using the personal numbers. Okay, so likewise it could help to the society in the early stage, and they may have and they can save your life in a good manner. So a deep learning based emergency alert system. And coming to the agriculture, yes, this is very much needed, because without agriculture we are unable to survive. That is the most and foremost essential. We should appreciate the farmers and their effort, and we should help, and with the help of technology we should help to the farmer as well. And this agriculture, it's a plant identification, deep learning for plant identification using mean morphological patterns, it was identified. Okay, so this is how some domain application literature review we already some authors is made, and we have reviewed these things in detail. So from the inceptions, right, application literature review, that is methodology applications of domain deep learning and domain applications of deep learning. So in this video we have detailed about the domain applications, and forthcoming video we will discuss about the methodology applications. Thank you for the passion.